Good morning kids. On Thursday class, what we learned? We learned exercise 2.7 contain review. The concept what we learned in the lesson number 2 of a 5-digit number. Just we record that. We record the what we recall the standard form. Some of the number names we are having. Some of the number are in an expanded form. And some of the question, who am I? Like these questions we are having. So what we did? We solved some of the examples in a standard form. Remaining all I told you to complete as the homework. And about the face value and the face value also we did. Remaining examples I told you to complete as the homework. In today's class, at first I will give the answers of yesterday's class. Then I will move on to the next topic. In today's class we will see, write these numbers in a expanded form. The numbers are given in a standard form. What we have to do? We have to expand that number. So that concept we are going to learn today's class. Before going to start, I will give the answers of yesterday's class, which is present in the textbook, page number 112. Children, open this page. We will learn it. See children, page number 102. At first, what we learned? We learnt about the standard form. Standard form answer I wrote already. What you had to do? You had to pause the video and you had to check your answers. Next, see here, question number I am 1 less than 10,000. Means what we had to do? In 10,000 we had to subtract 1. By subtracting 1 in 10,000, what we got the answer? 9,999. Next, what we did? About the face and the place value. Face value as it is we had to write, and the place value what we did? By multiplying the digit into the place value chart, we find out the place value. See children, in today's class we are going to learn next question number 4. Write these numbers in an expanded form. Take down as a classwork. Today's date 11th of September 2021. Okay. We had to expand this number. How to expand? By multiplying the given digit into the place, we have to expand the number. At first we are having digit 3. Write down 3 at first. After to the 3, how many digits we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits we are having. So replace it by 4 zeros. After how many digits we are having comma? 3 digit. Next what we are having? 1. Write down digit 1 at first. After to 1, how many digits we are having? 3 digits we are having. So replace it by 3 zeros. Next 4 we are having. Next we are having 4. Write down 4. After 2 digit 4, how many digits we are having? 2 digit. Replace it by 2 zeros. Next 2 we are having. After 2 number 2, what we are having? Only 1 digit. Replace it by 1 zero. At last we are having 5. Write down 5. Understood this one? This is what? It is about an expanded form. Otherwise, directly multiply with the digit and write down the number. Remaining are homework for you. Next, for 10 numbers, form 10 numbers including the greatest and the smallest number. Using the digits, by using this digit we have to form the greatest and the smallest number. Then circle the greatest number and underline the smallest number. At first we will find the smallest number. How to form the smallest number? By arranging the numbers in a which order? In a ascending order. Which is the smallest number? 1, then 2. After to number 2, 4 is the smaller one. Now 5, at last 7. This is the smallest number. Greatest we will find afterwards. How many numbers we have to find? At least 10 we have to find. So now we will replace 2 at first, then we will write 1, 4, 5, 7. By rearranging this number, we can find many numbers. Okay, we can find plenty of numbers by rearranging these numbers. Okay, now which number I will take? I will take 5 at first. 5, 7, 2, 1, 4. You may find many numbers. Okay, here no restrictions. You are having 5 numbers. Rearrange these numbers and find out the numbers how many you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next I will take 5 at first, then we will rearrange the remaining numbers. Okay, we are having many numbers. Take down number 4 at first, then rearrange the remaining numbers. Now take down 2 at first, rearrange the remaining numbers. Next I will take 1 and I will rearrange the remaining numbers. At last we will find the greatest number. How to find the greatest number? By arranging the numbers in a which order? Descending order. Means which is the greater number in this collection of numbers? In the collection of digits, 7 is the greater number. Next to 7, 5 we are having. Next to 5, 4 we are having. Next to 4, 2, then 1. After how many digits? We have to give comma. After 3 digits. Form 10 digits. This completes now. Circle the greater number. Which is the greater number? This is the greater number. We have to circle it and underline the smallest number. This is the smallest number. We have to underline it. Understood this one? Next, insert greater than, smaller than or is equal to sign. At first we have to compare the numbers 3 and 6. Which is the greater? Number 6 is the greater. So insert the greater than sign. We have to insert the sign such a way that the open mouth of the sign is towards the bigger number. Next, 9 same we are having. 3 also same we are having. Next we have a digit different in the hundreds place. Which is the greater number? 8. So we have to insert the sign like this. 5 same, 4, 1. We are having different digit in the ones place. Number 9 is the greater. So insert the greater than sign. Remaining 3 are homework for you. Easy we are having. We already learned this one. Do as a homework. Next, write in a order. Arrange in ascending, then in a descending. To arrange the numbers, first we have to compare the numbers. Which is the smaller one? 2 is the smaller. So write down 23,456. Next we are having 3 and 4. Which is the smaller? 3 is the smaller. So write down 37,182. At last 48,193. While in a descending, opposite to this one. First we had to write the bigger number. Next smaller. And the last least smallest. Okay. Like this, arrange the numbers in a which order? Descending order. Remaining 2 are homework for you. At last, what we are having? We are having who am I? Okay, this I will teach you how to solve this. I am 10,000 less than. Less means subtraction. 10,000 means a digit. How many digits we are having? 5 digit number. I am 10,000 less than 56,430. In this number, how much we have to subtract? We have to subtract 10,000. What the answer we will get? 0. In 3, if we subtract nothing means we will remain with the 3. In 4, if we cannot subtract anything means 4 will be remain. 6 as it is. 5 minus 1, 4. Answer what we got? 46,430 we are having. Next question what we are having? I am 5,000. This is 5,000 more than. More means we had to add. More than 40,000. Here I will do the solution. 40,380. In this what we have to do? We have to add 5,000. Ones in a 0 in the ones. 0 in the tens, 0 in the hundreds, and digit 5 in the thousands place. 0, 8, 3, 5, 4. Answer what we got? 45,380. At last, I am between 34,079 and 34,081. A number which is after to 79, before to 81 is 80. What the number we will get? 34,080. This is the number which is between 34,079 and 34,081. Understood, children? This is about last topic of lesson number 2. This you had to complete in a textbook as well as you had to rewrite in a notebook. Okay? On Monday's class we are going to start new lesson about the addition. Okay? We will learn the new lesson on Monday. So complete this page in a textbook as well as in a notebook. Okay. Bye.